Alright YouTube, so welcome back again, and it's your buddy Technoboy. So here you can see Zebronics 2.0 convertible 2.0 desktop speaker, and you can use this as a stereo speaker, or you can convert this soundbar just like it is right now, you can see. So today I'm gonna do the sound test of this thing, and the nice thing is that this thing has a RGB colors, you can see, and it keep on changing slowly and nicely, so that's a nice thing. So it's connected to my PC, and I'm gonna play some songs, and let's check the sound.
My emotions, I can't seem to control them. My emotions, my emotions, my emotions, my emotions, my emotions, my emotions, my emotions.